up and flank the poster dahil sila ang magre-reveal. Alright, on our marks, in 3, 2, 1! Behold the official poster of Chasing in the Wild! Wow, what do you think? What do you think, Kaya? You like it? Super cute! Diba? Parang ano? I love it. Okay! Thank you so much! Ang ganda. O yan, nasa likod natin.
Oo, para ba't dapat talagang ipagmalaki at i-flex?
Exactly.
Take it all in, you guys. Flex-worthy talaga.
First time natin mag-poster reveal, Boaz. So I can sense na this series is getting bigger and bigger. Malay mo, next venue natin, Araneta Coliseum.
Pwede. Napaka-makasaysayan nito, ladies and gentlemen. Gaya nga na nabanggit ni Miss Phoebe, and I'm so glad na naging parte kayo niyan. Our first official poster reveal for Chasing in the Wild. Now that the Univergata is complete, we may now proceed to the question and answer proper. Take it away, Phoebe.
Yes, thank you, Boaz. So to our friends from the press, alam na po natin yan. So please, just a few reminders. Please do not ask insensitive and personal questions, and we will limit to one question lang po per press member. Pasensya na. Ako po ay kapagsabihan lamang. Okay. So I have a list of press names here. Oh, diba? Kasi naano yung stairs. Okay, so here is our list. Ito po, simulan natin with batch 1. We have Alan Sancon, followed by Erwin Ogawa, Ray Pumaloy, Nurse Almo, and Roldan Castro. Finishing up batch 1. So first, we have from Alan Sancon, Stars Photo. Okay, let us turn on his mic, please. So muli po, ang ating hashtag ay CITW Media Conference at saka CITW ERA or ERA. Ano ba?
Hello.
Let's go.
So, good afternoon everyone. Congratulations sa the third part itong Univerg series ng Vivo One. I just want to ask yung question ko, yung one question ko to the four, kay Derek, kay Dwayne, kay Isaya, and kay Gav. Kasi parang very successful yung dalawang two-part series na Sky and yung Spania. Is there any pressure on your part, especially to Gav and to Haya, to do this? Kasi kayo yung magpo-portray nung ano dito, Labida. So, kay Derek muna, is there any pressure on your part na hindi man malagpasan, mapantayan yung success ng dalawang series?
Actually, matindi ko yung pressure nung una pala. Kasi ako mismo, pinanood ko yung first two books. Pati yung books na basa ko. So, even the adaptation mismo, kasi sobrang ganda ng book na sinulat ni Goy. So, yun yung pressure doon to translate it to a series. It's very challenging. Pero, yung pressure naman yung good pressure. Hindi naman siya parang intimidating na parang nakaka-paralyze or anything like that. It's more of, we just try to have fun. Lagi ko sinasabi kila Gab and Haya na iba tong book natin. Parang meron tayong, hindi natin pwede compare yung book natin sa first two books kasi magkakaiba talaga sila. Lahat naman sila maganda. So, ayun, may pressure, pero we enjoy the pressure, we welcome it, and we embrace the pressure.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Why? Yeah.
Every book naman po, there's always this pressure kasi every book is different from each other. So, since successful in the Reina España and Save Skies Archer, we have to maintain that yung audience na yung mga nanood ng first two books. And also because this is such a new world for us kasi more on nasa sports field, wala naman ganito sa the Reina España and Save Skies Archer. So, yung pressure for me is coming from, maintaining the essence of the story kasi that's what I'm here for. That's why I'm part of the creative so that make sure na yung essence ng story and the characters will stay true to their characters talaga. So, for now, I mean, nakikita ko naman na they're really safe into the character and also nakabantay na naman kami sa lahat ng script. So, siguro it's how the audience will react na lang talaga kapag lumabas na. But since the cast, we're all working hard, I'm sure this will be a success too. Yeah.
How about Gab and Sandra?
I have to take a breath every time. Pressure. I did feel a lot of pressure. It was like up and down. Every now and then I wouldn't feel it, but then I would. I do know that a lot of the pressure comes from because I know that we hold a lot of responsibility to pay respect to the stories and to a lot of different aspects of the story. Then even like with the cheerleading, like I took this on that, but really wanted to pay respect to that thing. Sometimes it would make me anxious, but then at the same time I'm grateful for it because it shows that we care. And we care about making this project good and the show good. So,
sobrang, like what Hyatt said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing and pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin and we just wanna do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin.
Thank you and congratulations everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin ang mga katanungan ni Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ka Na?
Congrats guys sa new series kay Direk. Ano pong kaibahan itong series na to or project na to from your previous projects?
Actually, ito yung first ko na romantic comedy talaga. Pero as I've said kanina, ito nga yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig, magpapaiyak din siya, maglahat na emosyon, which I've done previously sa mga projects ko. Ayun, yung mga previous projects ko kasi it's more very family-centered. Pero with this kasi, andun yung love angle, andun yung romance, pero matindi yung core nung book na to kasi naka-angkla siya sa family ng dalawang main character. So, ayun, so madali siya for me. Mahirap lang kasi mabigat. Mas iba yung topic, iba yung kumbaga yung pinagdaanan ng characters dito kasi sobrang bigat ng mga pagdadaanan nila. Pagdadaanan pa lang kasi hindi pa lang kinukunan. So, ayun, yun yung challenge. Pero, ayun, it's something new. Kaya na-excite din akong gawin siya coming from my previous project.
Thank you, Direk. Kay Miss Guay naman, how are you going to compare your feeling yung sa nilaunch yung Reina España, Save Skies, kada series, anong feeling na nakakuha mo?
It's the same feeling all over again. The pressure that I mentioned earlier. And also excitement, syempre. Kasi I will have to work again with new mga bida and we will have to curate their character again. So for me, very, very exciting. Kasi I'm always excited to see kung paano magta-translate yung book into something na mapapanood mo on screen. So I'm really excited to see kapag pinapanood ko sila, I would be so happy na parang, oy, oh, ganito pala kapag inact na siya, ganito pala yung feeling. So I'm really excited. Pero the pressure comes with it din. Kasi, you know, we will have different reactions from this. But, you know, as long as we are all working hard, we know that we are working hard for this, I'm sure this will all be worth it.
And bakit daw chasing in the wild?
Hindi ko mag-mention ng universe. Okay. Kasi po, it was originally yung yellow and green school. So, tigers and archer. So, chasing archer and wild tigers. So,
Gets na. Thank you, good luck sa new series.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Moving on po, from Abante Liling, we have